Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday where I give you a meal planning tip or teach you about a feature of Plan to Eat in 2 minutes or less. Today, I want to show you about the saved searches option on the Plan to Eat website. This feature is currently only available on the website and not on the app, but it allows you to save a search, a recipe search, that you commonly have. You're just going to come over to your sort and filtering options. You will choose some of the options that you would normally choose, some common things you would search for your recipes. And this does work a little better if you have more recipes in your Plan to Eat account. This is just my test account, so I don't have quite as many as I do in my normal account. But so say I have made this search, it's for my favorite recipes that also include chicken and as a main ingredient. I can come in here and hit this save search option. It's going to give me the option here to give a name to this. We can cancel the search. And then when I come back to my recipe book, you will see that there is now this drop-down menu here where I can select the different saved searches that I have. I can click on that, hit the load button, and it will load that saved search for me. So if you find yourself doing the same searches over and over again to find specific recipes, you definitely want to save them to save you some time in your searching process. If you have any questions, email us at help@plantoeat.com, and I will see you again soon.